I am 100% convinced that I have been completely transformed by having coaches, mentors, teachers in my life. And one thing that a mentor reminded me you have to do, I already knew this, but I had to hear it again, is you have to be introspective. That means you have to take a look at what you're good at, what you're bad at, where you're going in your life. If you're running a business, where the heck is that business supposed to be going? What are you doing? What's your mission? What's your purpose? And I want you to do this exercise today. Get out paper, get a pen. Don't just do an app on your phone. Actually write this stuff down. Things that I learned to get better at from a coach. I got my list here. I could have made it twice as long. Do it now.